guys, Bryony here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning on the Sunshine Coast. Today we're just going to run you through a quick job spotlight. This is a Mazda BT50, a brand new model. We've had a lot of interest in our custom lead crystal batteries that go behind the seat of a dual cab ute. So this is one that we've put one in today, and we'll just show you in a little bit more detail exactly what we've done. So start here up front of the car. So just behind the battery here under bonnet, we've got a 250 amp MIDI fuse holder. It's got a 50 amp MIDI fuse down here as well. We've got a Red Arc BC-DC that goes behind the seat. It's a 1240, and so that needs a 50 amp MIDI fuse. So we then run an 8 BNS cable. Now that goes basically from the battery here, and it runs out the engine bay, and it runs down along inside the car, along the kick panel trim, so it's all hidden in there, and then it goes under the seat under the carpet in a void and up behind the rear of the seat to where the battery is. So we'll take you down the back and have a look at the other stuff that's in the car. So this is the custom alloy slimline bracket that we've had made, and also the 100 amp hour slimline lead crystal battery. So basically what happens is your battery sits in here, and this goes in behind the seat of the car. We've had this made, the bracket made, so that we can bolt it in so it's all secure. It has a mount here for the Red Arc BC-DC, the 1240D. We've gone for the 1240D over the 1225. Because the lead crystal battery likes to be charged at about 30%, so with a 108 amp hour battery, it needs like a minimum of 30 amp hours going into it. We also have some tie-down straps that we'll show you a photo of at the end, and then in here we've got a 6-way fuse box. So basically this allows us to run 6 different circuits out of here, and we can run them to wherever you need in the vehicle. In this particular one we've got them in the rear, which we'll show you in a second. And we've also got 2 Anderson plugs here. So our standard one comes with a solar input, and then this is being charged from the battery. So for this particular vehicle, this one's already mounted in the car, we've got 2 grey Anderson plugs, and we actually have the solar output in the rear of the vehicle. So this customer has requested that all of his power outlets be mounted in the rear of the car. They can be mounted wherever you want. Typically in utes, people put their fridges and everything in the back here, so that's where they like them. You can have any combination of outlets. This one has gone for a dual USB port, a voltmeter that's reading the battery, the dual battery. It's got 2 cigarette sockets. So it's also got 2 Anderson plugs. The red one here is to input your solar into. So whether you have got a blanket, you've got a portable one, or you could even put a fixed panel mounted one on the roof, that's your solar input option. And then you've also got an Anderson plug option, so you might be running a compressor, I don't know, whatever you've got with an Anderson plug on it. So as I said, these mounts or power outlets can be mounted anywhere in the vehicle that you want to. These are all fused individually, so the Anderson plugs are each running a 6mm cable coming from the fuse box. The cigarette sockets have got a 5mm cable each, and then there's a 5th cable coming for the USB and the voltmeter. So in the rear of the car, we've now mounted the bracket, the battery, we've connected up all the cables. Now to get these in here, we also had to move the jack mount and also the tool bag mount. So we actually pull the carpet back, cut them out, remount them, and then bog and repaint it all in there, so there's not going to get any rust or anything like that. So this is pretty much all ready now to get the rear seat back in and give back to the customer. If you'd like a custom slimline dual battery setup in your dual cab, you can give us a call on 1300 227 353, comment below, or check us out at amae.net.au.